Hello there guys, and this is the last video in this Linux tutorial series. I am very happy that you watched it all the way until the end. If you haven't, I recommend that you watch it sequentially, but you can jump from topic to topic as you see fit. And that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. This is the last video, and hopefully I will see you in another tutorial series. Also, I wanted to point out that I have some written content which doesn't have the video content that goes along with it on my website. So if you're interested in some programming content, most of it is actually in written form on my website, and I also have some code there on GitHub as well. So check out my website. If you haven't already, you can find the link in the description. You can follow me here and on other social media. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in some undetermined time in the future. Thank you.